What's up, everybody? It's Kyle once again, the world's leading patellar tendon rupture expert. Today I'm going to go over reverse pedaling on the bike. This is something I have not gone over in a long time, but when you get to this stage of your recovery where you're really looking to work range of motion, this is going to be your best friend. So what you would do on here, you would set the seat height about waist height. So let me just move that a little bit. So you want this about waist height when you're gonna get on it. When you get on the bike. So this is pretty high. This would actually be a good point to start at. I would keep my heels on the pedal and I would start working reverse. I found to be a little easier, reverse range of motion. So you're going reverse. Now, what you're gonna see when you first start this is you're gonna have a hip hike. That's okay. You're gonna probably start doing this within the first 2 months, 8-week range, but you're going reverse here. After you go for 2 to 5 minutes, you would get off the bike, you would knock the seat down 1 notch and repeat. Now what I would also do throughout those sessions is I would get off, I'll be wearing my blue knee sleeve, I would scrape, then I'd get back on, do it again. And you keep knocking down as you get more blood and synovial fluid to that area, you're gonna open up a little more range of motion. That's a great way to work it and time it. So if you have questions, post them below. Happy to answer them for you. If you're looking for the manual, you can find the link below. And I'll be here to help, whatever you need. Peace.